How to add your hometown on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your hometown on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and let's go back first and then just click these three lines in the top corner and click on your profile here and then click edit. Here you will find your profile, then just go back, go down. Here you will find more information. Click on it and here you will find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.